Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the drawing that will receive the Xref and launching the Xref palette. This gives you control over every referenced file. Once the palette is open, locate the Xref you intend to bind and make sure it is reloaded and not unresolved. If any paths are broken, fix them now using relative or full paths so binding doesn't create missing geometry. This prevents orphaned references and preserves layer context when you bind. Decide between bind and insert. Bind attaches the Xref while preserving layer name prefixes, whereas insert converts the Xref into block geometry. Know the difference so you keep intended layer structure. Before committing, check for naming conflicts and use layer translator or manual renaming to avoid duplicate names that Autocad will alter. Once layers and names are clean, turn off or freeze any layers you don't want brought. Execute the bind. Right-click the chosen Xref and select Bind or Insert, then confirm the dialog options so layer prefixes and block names behave as expected. Once bound, run audit and purge to clean up lingering definitions, examine nested Xrefs, and verify layer visibility and block integrity. Save a new file version so you can revert if needed. If geometry is missing or layers collapsed, detach the bound Xref. Correct the source or naming conflicts, and rebind. This usually fixes unresolved reference problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.